Today we are going to learn how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So first, let us define what is a mixed fraction. So a kind of fraction that is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Okay, for example, we have 2 and 1/3. Okay, then we also have 4 and 2/5. And then we have 16 and 10/12. Okay, so in 2 and 1/3, 2 here is the whole number, and 1/3 here is the proper fraction. In 4 and 2/5, 4 here is the whole number, and 2/5 is the proper fraction. In 16 and 10/12, 16 is the whole number, and 10/12 is the proper fraction. As we all know, proper fractions are fractions whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. So when adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions, it is easy for us to process them if we convert them first to improper fractions. Okay, and as we all know, fractions whose numerator is bigger than the denominator are what we call the improper fractions. So for example, I have 13/10. This is an example of an improper fraction because the numerator, 13, is bigger than the denominator, 10. Now let's begin with converting 2 and 1/3 into improper fraction. So the process is very easy. First, we are going to identify the parts of the mixed fraction. 2 here, as we all know, is the whole number, and 1/3 is the proper fraction. So 1 here is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. So we are going to multiply the denominator with the whole number 2. Okay, so that is 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. And the result, you are going to add 6 with the numerator 1. Okay, so again, multiply 3 times 2, that is equal to 6, and then add 1 to 6, that is equal to 7. So 7 here will now be our numerator. And then our denominator, just simply copy the denominator 3. Okay, so 2 and 1/3, if we are going to convert that in improper fraction, that is 7/3. Okay, next we have 4 and 2/5. So again, the process is multiply the denominator by the whole number. That is 5 times 4, that is equal to 20, and the result, 20, will be added by 2. Okay, so again, 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 2, that is equal to 22 over 5. Next, we have 16 and 10/12. Now, there are some mixed fractions that are not reduced in lowest term, or the proper fractions of that mixed fraction is not yet converted into its lowest term. So for example, we have 16 and 10/12. So let's take a look at 10/12. Your 10/12 here is not yet reduced in lowest term. So first we're going to reduce that in lowest term. So this is equal to 16. So 10/12 reduced to lowest term, that is equal to this. 10 and 12 are both divisible by 2. Okay, so we are going to divide 10 by 2. We have 5. And if we're going to divide 12 by 2, you will get 6. Okay, so 16 and 5 6 is easier to convert to improper fraction than 16 and 10 over 12. So the process is we're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 16 times 6. So 16 times 6, we have 6. 3, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3, that is 9. Okay, so you have 96. So we're going to add 5 to 96. Okay, so again, 6 times 16 is 96, and 96 plus 5, you will get 101 over 6. Okay, so this is our final answer.